Hey guys, this is Yatziri Gonzalez, and this year I will be teaching Baile Folclórico for my third year here at La Mesa Presbyterian Church. I'm so happy I'm able to do it again. I know it's going to be a little bit different, but this time every week Bonnie will send a short video of some steps, and then you get to be at home and follow those steps, and every week we'll learn different steps so we get completely like the different song. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me or email Bonnie and she'll let me know. I just want to say thank you so much, and I hope to see you guys soon. First, you're going to start off with arms extended like a T, and then your first step is going to be turning to your left. So you take a full spin to your left. Then you're going to go with your right hand, 1, with your left hand, 2. Take a spin again to your left, and then you're going to reach the front and stomp, hands on your hips, and then stomp with your right foot 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to spin arms out, spin to the left again until you reach the front, then spin to the right, keeping your arms up nice and straight. You're going to go with your right hand, 1, 2, and then you're going to do a double. With the double, you move your arms and your feet. So double, 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 double with your right foot stomp. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the first one. You're going to do it 4 times. So double, 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 double. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double, 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 double. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time. Double, 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 double. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to go right hand, 1, 2, and you're going to kick. Kick, 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 kick till you reach the front, and you're going to do that 4 times. So that was the first one. This is the second one. 1, 2, kick, 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 kick. 1, 2, kick, 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 kick. Last time. 1, 2, kick, 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 kick until you reach the front.